what we wanted from this trip.
Yeah, exactly what we wanted and more.
Norwegian car.
The cat from Norway that got stuck in the doorway.
The Vikings are here. £21.60. Our drone has just been confiscated.
Hiya guys, we are Nathan and Hannah and we are on the Disney Magic cruise ship.
Somewhere in the North Sea, sailing around the Norwegian Fjords. But before we go there, let's rewind and take you back to embarkment day. Morning guys, we are somewhere on the southeast coast of England. We've just watched this amazing sunrise from the park up, and that means today is the start of our next adventure.
Yeah guys, we are going on a Disney cruise! Yay! We've been waiting for this for a year, haven't we? We've had this booked a year.
Yeah, we're super excited. It's 7 AM now. We're going to pop into Dover and see if we can go vessel spotting first.
Yeah, that'll be fun. There it is! I really need to concentrate. I don't know what line I'm in.
Maybe we're not going here. Everywhere just seems to have 2 metre barriers.
We literally scraped through the height barrier, didn't we?
Yeah.
The bar, we hit the bar and it was swinging. So yeah, just by the skin of our teeth. But Disney Magic is just behind us. We've got a spectacular view of her, haven't we?
Yeah, look at that.
But we've still got a few hours to go, so we're going to enjoy a nice walk along the White Cliffs. Our nice little pastime walk is done, so it's time to take you with us to the main event.
A short shuttle bus ride later and we were at the cruise terminal.
So we're here just about to board the Disney Magic, and it's the first Disney cruise ship as well, so it feels super special, doesn't it?
Yeah, we've got everything we need
well
right here.
Equipped, yeah. Beers and Prosecco. Hiya. Thank you.
Disney Magic, please welcome aboard Nathan and Hannah.
Oh, we're all checked in finally.
Honestly, it's like so overwhelming, isn't it, being on here? There's just so much going on, but we're absolutely starving up, so we're going to find food.
Yeah, where are we going?
We're going to Cabana, so let's go and find it.
Yeah, then check into our room. Yeah, it's so overwhelming. There's that much food. I don't know what to ask. I've got noodles and mashed potato. Why not?
Chucky.
As Cabanas is located at the back of the ship on deck 9, it means that we can enjoy great food with epic views. Huge.
And the window, oh, the window's huge. So guys, we are in our room now, room 2124, and I'm going to be an absolute sad case and show you around it. But I can hear some rustling in those wardrobes, so let's have a take a look in here. These nice big wardrobes. You okay?
Don't mind me.
Never mind that, that's just a Nathan. So here we have our little toilet room. Quite a nice big toilet room really, considering we're on a boat. And then we've got our shower room here. There we go. Hello. And then I'll take you this way, and this is the bed, and I'm not joking you, this bed is bigger than the bed we have at home, so we can't get used to this luxury because Claudia's back at home calling us, so can't get used to that.
For anyone that may be new around here and is wondering why this room looks so luxurious to us, this is what our last few trips looked like.
Nice full length mirror, which we never have when we're away in Claudia either, so this is like proper luxury. Nice lamp as well, and the switch is right next to the bed. Look at that. And then taking you through here, we've got loads of cupboard space as well, loads of drawers, loads of cupboards. We've got TV, That bed pulls out if you've got kids, and then there is a bunk bed as well that pulls down. It's just up there. There was ladders in the wardrobe, and I was like, what are the ladders for? But yeah, that makes sense, it's for the bunk bed. And then here's our nice large porthole window, and then we've got the Cliffs of Dover just over there. What's in that fridge?
They've only gone and left us 6 Stellas.
They've not left me any Prosecco?
Some idiot's gone and carried these all the way onto the boat. Cheers, lads.
Who's ready to party?
Congratulations, you are all now officially on vacation!
We're moving, we're setting sail.
Bye, Dover.
Bye Dover!
This vessel is bound for Nordic lands. So what happens next then, Han?
Well, Nath, after all that excitement, I think we need to chill out a bit, and then we can get ready for dinner at Repunzel's royal table.
Sounds awesome. Just leave that there. Just leave that there.
So we have just left our room now, and we are on our way for dinner. We are dining out at Repunzel's royal table tonight.
Yeah, this is really weird for us because obviously we're always just in outdoor gear and everything. I've done my hands out wore them for years, but we're going out, aren't we?
We're going out. There's even a nightclub on here, so maybe
Yeah.
see where the night takes us.
We're in the absolute middle of nowhere as well.
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it?
As well, the stench of this boat, it's literally, it's like Vegas, the exact same smell of Las Vegas.
It is, it just smells like Las Vegas. How posh is this?
I know, head of the table, eh? I think we're above the engines there, there's like a bit of turbulence here. Come on. I hope my soup's not too full.
Especially you, spinning
I know, this shirt ain't staying clean for long, is it?
I'm excited for food. Right everyone, that's a wrap for now. Thank you so much for watching our first episode of our Cruising with Disney mini-series. And if you enjoyed this video and you are brand new around here, why not hit subscribe?
Yeah, stick around guys, as we still have so much left of our epic trip to share with you. Here is a sneak peek of our next episode, where we will take you with us to explore our first port of call, Alesund.
I want to get off the boat and we can't find our way up.
It is incredible.
It is, and we're really lucky with the weather.
On that note, we'd best be off.